Hi, thanks for checking out the vidwheel Creator Network. We're really excited about this product because we feel like it's a great way for us to empower you to unlock your ability to create powerful and professional video. We have three parts to this service. The first part is the kit itself. We've designed a kit specifically to be flexible in streaming or recording video content so that you can use it however fits best for your business. This kit comes with everything you need to get rolling. Part 2 of this service is built-in consulting. Through my years of video production, I've met a ton of folks who have bought great gear, who have had the best intentions about creating their own stuff, but without the support of a professional, that can be really hard to accomplish. So we've built in monthly consulting sessions that are going to allow you to stay on the right track. The third prong is the network itself. We are putting like-minded individuals, people like you who want to create their own high-quality content, in a social network which allows folks to learn new skills, put questions out to peers, and bounce work off of each other. If you're interested in finding out more, please feel free to dig deep into the content on the vidwheel Creator Network page, or shoot me an email. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. Thank you, and happy creating.